integration. Find the exact value of the integral from 0 to 4 of f of x dx. So from the previous partial fractions part, we know this is the f of x. So this is what we have to integrate. So to integrate this part it's just easy. We use 1 over x formula in the MF19. So the integral is just ln the denominator. No need to use the absolute value. So no need to use this symbol. Now the problem is the other term here, x over 2 plus x squared. So here we have to use this MF19 formula, and if we want to use this formula, we have to make sure that we have f prime over f, which means the numerator must be the exact derivative of the denominator. So if you look at the question, the derivative of the denominator is actually 2x, and the numerator is just x. That's why we have to modify this integration a little. So we multiply by 2, but we also divide by 2, so we are not changing the question, but the form inside this integration here is, we can use the MF19 formula, so we can integrate it. Okay, so previously there's nothing we can do, but after we modify a little, now we can integrate this. So using this formula, what we get is ln the denominator, so we have ln 2 plus x squared. No need to use absolute value. So we have integrated everything. Now we just plug in the terminals of integration, plug in 4, plug in 0, and subtract. So since we are looking for the exact value, you cannot really use your calculator for the whole thing. So if you use your calculator and you get something not exact, so like decimals, repeating decimals, recurring decimals, non-stopping decimals, you cannot use your calculator to get the exact value. So you have to only use the calculator for 1 plus 4, not that you need it, so that's 5, and from here we get 18, and from here we get just 1, from here we get 2, and so we have 2 ln 5 minus 1/2 ln 18. And actually you can use your calculator for this guy because ln 1 is actually 0, but for this just rewrite for this guy here, and then we use the logarithm rule. We can bring this number, this coefficient, inside the logarithm, so it becomes the power of the argument. So we have 5 squared, so 2 ln 5 is equal to ln 5 squared. Same thing here, this is 18 to the power of 1/2. Same thing here, 2 to the power of 1/2. And then when we have subtraction or division, we can combine them. Subtraction becomes division, addition becomes multiplication. Or just remember, if it's positive, put it above the division line. If it's positive, above division line, above division line. If it's negative, put it in the denominator below. So from this, you can use your calculator for this part here. You get 25 over 3, and that's the final answer. Alright, I'll see you again next time.